Today, I'm heading to Upper Hulme, one of the hidden gems of the Peak District. After spending the night camping near Leek, I woke up to fresh air, quiet surroundings, and perfect weather for another adventure. There's something special about starting the day outdoors. No alarms, no traffic, just the sound of nature. With my backpack ready, I began the walk toward Upper Hulme. The trail was peaceful, winding through the countryside with incredible views in every direction. It's easy to focus only on reaching the destination, but places like this remind me to slow down and enjoy every step of the journey. As the path started climbing, the scenery became even more breathtaking. Every few minutes I stopped to take in the view and realized I was climbing higher than I thought. The fresh breeze, the open landscape, and the rolling green hills made every step worth it. Eventually, I reached the top. This was the moment I'd been waiting for. Let's get the drone in the air. Seeing this place from above completely changed my perspective. The winding trails, the patchwork fields, the distant hills, and the peaceful countryside all came together in a way I could never fully appreciate from the ground. This is one of the reasons I love flying drones. They don't just capture a location, they tell a story. They reveal the scale, the beauty, and the little details that often go unnoticed. I could have stayed here for hours, simply enjoying the silence and taking in the view. Moments like these remind me how incredible nature really is and why it's always worth getting outside to explore somewhere new. But like every adventure, it was eventually time to make my way back down the trail. The walk back gave me one last chance to enjoy the scenery, reflect on the day, and appreciate another unforgettable experience in the Peak District. If you're ever looking for a peaceful hike with amazing views, Upper Hulme is definitely a place worth visiting. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful part of the Peak District with me. If you'd like to see these same landscapes from a completely different perspective, click the video on your screen now to watch one of my cinematic FPV flights. And if you enjoy drone videos, hiking adventures, and discovering beautiful places around the UK, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next adventure.